Play Pibaro, Ipinang Subhai Pi, Sapiyit Kami, Bakikubo, Baman Kasi.
6,000 Praspa Prabhu Sawut. So again, few decisions were taken this evening by the government in the review meeting. Number one, in Shillong agglomeration, from tomorrow onwards, shops will be closed at 7 p.m. All shops will be closed from 7 p.m. and curfew will be clamped from tomorrow onwards from 8 p.m. up to 5 a.m. in the morning. And the office hours has been again reduced from 5 o'clock up to 4:30 p.m. This will be applicable for Shillong agglomeration. Mentaka Janmit, Hapok Jingalam, Jong Chief Minister Jongi, Hadin Bangiyo Yakajinkiyo, Jong Ki active cases. Kasorkar Klasim Yakarai, Bahapo ka Shillong agglomeration, Barok Kidukan, Ki Bangi Jupli, and Kang no Hadu Nyo Baji Menmit, but Nadu Kapor Prabaji Menmit kan sedang ke curfew. Hadu San Baji Mestep, Hapo ka Shillong agglomeration Barok away. The second decision we taken today evening is relating to disposing of the dead bodies. I would like to tell you that the government has taken a decision. Please note down very clearly. The government today has taken a decision that dispose of the dead bodies from now on will be allowed only up to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Dispose of the dead bodies should be done on or before of 2 p.m. every day. This order will come into force immediately. Both COVID cases as well as non-COVID cases. And it will be applicable. This will be applicable for the entire state. Akan dikejanmit ila shimru ya kawikarai. Nakaliang jong government. Baka jing pendep. Ya ki bayak. La kalong ki bayok COVID. Lane ki bom yok COVID. Bala kumdu. Day ban pendep ya kamet ke jongki. Hapo arbaji no paisngi. Hapo arbaji no paisngi. Kabamut. Habang ong hapo arbaji ka no paisngi. Kabamut lada klat mentakasngi. Klat mentajanit. Lasai hapo arbaji. Day ban pendep. Ya kaniam kerukom. Bat kumju ya ki benta ke badon kam kum bajule baro sekata kane karai ka bagi sim kalong hadin bang yo i ya ka jingkiu jong kane ka khlam man lagasngi ni thu ya ka jing ni thu ya ka jing si ya ka jing jinjar man sim jong gitu kalong ying kalong sem ki bamat ya kini gijing dia ke si ten rei ngapan map na kaliang jong sarkar ngimban si ban sim ya kene garai balakum no kumno ki pajba no song snong ha po ka jela bakin sngau ba ban burong ya kene gijing penbet jongi na kaliang ko sarkar amangile ya kene daga menta ka jing song sngan batru na kamenta ka safety jong ki no song snong jongi hapo ka jela barok away hakabidei bat ki kajingya covid ka sarkar kala betha renti ya barok ki nong song snong hapo ka jela bahadin balara ya kamet jongki haka sindo syaki yeng ki sem ki jongki bakin skau bah banam plate ya ka to ka sindo baru bakin skau bah banum penrung haye ya ka tu kamet ya jong ki tu ki perlok ki bayo ya unu covid henrei kin bu tang hapo baranda baru ban pendep ya kaniam kurukom kum mangala ong hapo arbaji jamik. Our request from the government is to all the concerned stakeholders, with heavy hands, I would like to request all the concerned stakeholders kindly adhere and kindly follow this arrangement made by the government. Hakaju kapor ngada kerpat ya ki bor balang ki niam ki baper ki snong ki baper ki komiti snong ki baper bakin ya trelang bat ka sarkar halor jong gani kajing penbet kajongi. These were the decision taken today in the evening. If you have any question, please.